its Eagles Magna Carta and believing in its capabilities as a self-reliant, fraternal, Philippine civic organization, do hereby solemnly make oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times the said Eagles Magna Carta as well as all laws, rules and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles. And I shall consciously uphold at all times the Eagles delicadeza and moral code of ethics as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with my fraternity, with my club, and with my fellow Eagles. So help me God. Congratulations to all of you.